I know. They've concluded.
8-10 minutes.
I can. It concluded. I leave it to your lordship on then 10 minutes.
No, that day time is over. I have to.
పర్వాలేదులేండి రిప్లైలో చెప్తారు కానీ రిప్లైలో చెప్తారు కానీ లేండి స్టార్ట్ చేయనివ్వండి.
Because learned AG will be appearing in lordship. I can AG will appear in the matter. So kindly have it next week if your lordship so places.
Today,
and in that case 10 minutes for you. I knew that this case was going to be adjourned for obvious reasons. There is a function in the AG's house.
No objection, but today we find IA also seeking that 1167 vacancies to be reserved, unfilled. Because today the general results were published, direct recruitment vacancies. These vacancies may not go to them.
That will never go. The vacancies will remain.
We find IA also.
Can't fill up those vacancies specifically meant for you. How can they fill up those vacancies?
So as per notification, it will be added to the fresh recruitment.
No. We'll hear the AG. Halfway through interim orders అవన్నీ వద్దు ఇంకా.
Leave it to lordship.
ఇంకా 10 minutes ఏదో చెప్తా అన్నారు చెప్పండి. రాసేసుకుంటాను.
Then last occasion I have pointed out that the marks not specification and equating with the general recruitment candidates.
Sina Kumar garu, there is only one issue. How can this court? One is that general category and ex-servicemen ichar. The ex-servicemen ichar. The home guards, there is no specification mentioned as to whether they come under home guard general category or they come under. They definitely don't come under. Other category of it. Correct. So
ex-serviceman is concerned. I am not. I am not.
Marks lo emana any physical test untunda? Em physical sorry written test emana untunda?
Yes sir. Preliminary and mains.
Okay. Andulo what is the qualification mark? Is there any variation? Just a hang.
Same marks, for everybody. The same marks 80, 70. And 60 mark.
Okay.
This issue is already decided in a batch of OS and confirmed by this honorable court by way of petition filed by the government.
Stating what?
Stating they are separate class and category.
True, separate class and can we say that they have to have a separate qualification mark or is it? Can they not prescribe the same qualification? Is it not their prerogative of the employer, or what is the right of the prospective employee to fix a particular guideline?
So, your last question is very clear.
That is where the whole issue boils down to.
If same marks is insisted or fixed to the home guards, the fixing the separate category and reserving separate vacancies for them will brutal exercise, because if the same marks, same procedure is adopted, we can as well the vacancies, the total vacancies which is meant for the general recruitment will apply. Because the separate category and reserved separate vacancies, we are not so they are treated as special category and cannot be insisted to those marks. That is the finding of this honorable court.
The qualification mark should vary, Ananda. Yeah?
Yes, madam.
Because already this case has underwent a lot of rounds of litigation.
Yes. That's why I want to bring it to your lordship.
Cheppandi.
Now, your lordship.
I just want to have the last time I had this doubt as to how far can we prescribe the qualification mark? Is it not the discretion of the employer?
That is fine fault with Honorable APAT, and it was confirmed in the petition filed by the government. Lordship kindly page 210.
Sir, I'm not. This is my doubt. I'm just airing my doubt.
Petitions that was judgment which was rendered in December 2024. Same issue was argued. Same.
Your special category is one part, but qualification is another part, because you are coming into a particular zone.
Page 210, Miller.
Okay. How far అన్నది అడుగుతున్నాను అంతే. 210. Okay.
Now, Your Lordship, kindly, this is against the orders passed by the OAS, the government will file writ petitions, this batch of writ petitions. Page 213, Your Lordship, kindly see. These are the prayers, my lord.
Okay.
These are the prayers in those cases. Fixing the same marks. Findings, Your Lordship, kindly, next page. Your Lordship, kindly, 214, pair of 5.
Okay.
Pair of 5. That the OAS are sixth line, seventh line, my lord. 214.
ఓ అక్కడ కూడా మీరే హోమ్ గార్డ్ స్టాండింగ్ హౌస్లో ఉన్నారా మీరు? రైట్, చెప్పండి.
He submits that even though detailed count was filed, OA was allowed, directing the respondents to treat the home guards as a special class and to prepare separate merit list from among. The learned government period for services reiterates that qualifying marks are to be uniformly applied. This is the now you will pose a question. Uniformly applied to all the candidates, and the home guards cannot be treated as a special class. Therefore, this submits that the tribunal submitted serious error in allowing the applications. London government period of our services argues that the candidate who participated in the examination, like the first respondent, cannot question the terms of the notification, and that the prescribing the cutoff marks, etc., are a matter for policy, that on both side grounds, also the repetition should be allowed. Now, findings of this court, Your Lordship, para 7. This court notices, Your Lordship, 216, Lord. This court notices that the petitioner in this case is a home guard. There is no dispute about the fact that the tribunal notices that as per the notification, minimum qualifying marks are prescribed for various categories and communities for selection to the post. For the police constable, in the written examination, a candidate belonging to OC has to secure 40%, BC candidate has to secure 35%, and candidate belonging to SC, ST, ex-service 30%. In order to be eligible for selection, OC candidate should get 80 marks out of 200 marks. BC candidate should get 70 marks out of 200 marks. SC, ST 60 marks. The home guards and other special.
చదివాను.
Next is important. You can go through
చదివాను.
everything.
Separate class and separate tribunal's reasoning of fixing intercy among the selectees was upheld.
Yes, para 7 and 8 is the important in the judgment. Therefore, now we are for that is not being followed. But the same again, the same conditions are imposed in the present recruitment also. For non-challenging the recruitment notification, also decided decided in this judgment. We need not be. Therefore, in the clause number 33 and notification, there is a corrigendum. Kindly, page number. Page number 123 of the notification. For better appreciation, I also find OA copy, order copy also.
అలాగేనండి. Yes.
Page 123 for a moment. There are 33 notification.
Okay.
33, Your Lordship, got it. These are the general instructions. Next, Your Lordship, kindly, there are several conditions. Last condition at page number 125. Next page, 10. The SLB AP reserves right to issue corrigendum supplementary notification time to time. There is if they want top 125.
Okay.
If necessary, they can. necessary, they can, there is no need to horizontal also because we are, if necessary,
But
the
what is the post you are competing?
police constable, civil and APSB.
The I'm just
Yes,
airing the view so that you can crystallize it. The qualification should be with reference to the post in which you are being selected.
Yes, that we mandatory.
Okay, it is with reference to the post. Police constable, police constable has certain duties, certain physical abilities undal.
Yes.
It should be with reference to the post. Just because a particular special class unna, can we say that without reference to the qualifications or the job demands of the particular post, the physical demands of this particular class of people should be relaxed?
Because
yes, reply lo cheppandi.
Yes.
You have to physical parameters are with reference to the post in which you want to qualify.
Yes.
Can the physical parameters be reduced just because a special group physically fit people cannot come into that qualified mark for the post in which you are aspiring? Suppose వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చారు 8 minutes ఇచ్చారు, ex-military అంటే ex-militaryకి ఏజ్ ఎంత ఉందండి? వాట్ ఈస్ ఏజ్ ఫర్ ex-military? Ex-militaryకి 9.5 minutes ఇచ్చారు.
For that, your lordship kindly page counter Milan.
కాదు మామూలుగా అడుగుతున్నాను. What is the age limit prescribed for ex-military?
Ex-military on par with general candidate only, Milan.
No. Notification లో run time వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది. పేజ్ 103. 1600 meters, it is 8 minutes for general. For ex-serviceman, it is 9 minutes 30 seconds.
On par with SC/ST.
No. Page 103 రండి. I'm just airing my view so that you can crystallize better. ఇప్పుడు మీరు 103 లాస్ట్ కాలమ్కి వస్తే, what is the age, outer age of ex-serviceman to apply? Ex-serviceman అంటే certain 15 years గానే ఉండాలి minimum. The 100 meters is 16.5 seconds.
Yes.
16.5 seconds, sir. 16.5 seconds for 100 meters.
Page 143, Milan.
No, I am on the, what is in the notification, what is the time age prescribed for ex-serviceman? Page number cheppandi.
Page 106, Milan.
106.
106.
Okay, meeku up to 32 years ఇచ్చారు is the outer age limit.
39, Milan.
What is the outer age limit for ex-serviceman?
3 years in addition to the length of service rendered in Army, Navy or Air.
No.
Page 107.
There would be some outer limit. There won't be an open-ended one. Hypothetical గా అడుగుతున్నాను, అంటే మీరు వెళ్ళి చూసుకోండి. ఎడ్జాన్ అవుతుంది.
I'm not representing the ex-serviceman, but
I am not also asking you to represent. Having been a standing counsel for Home Guards, you can't represent also. What I am saying is, if the outer limit is 32, for direct recruit it is 24. What is the outer limit for
ex-serviceman?
Ex-serviceman. అది నెక్స్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్పండి. If ex-servicemen are qualifying for 9 minutes 30 seconds and they are aged above you, can you say I still have to be given a special category?
Home Guards are.
I am on the.
I understood that.
Because suppose hypothetical ga cheptunna, notification చూడలేదు. Let us take the ex-servicemen's outer age limit is 40 years. But their time limit is 9 minutes 30 seconds for 1600 meters. For 100 meters, it is 16.5 seconds. Still, if they qualify, you people are 32 outer limit. I take everybody as 32.
39, Milan. Our limit is 34 for general candidate, OC candidates in the Home Guards, and 39 EWS, BC is 39, SC 39, ST 39.
39 is out. Let us take ex-serviceman is 42. Hypothetical గా చెప్తున్నాను.
Ex-serviceman, I will
మీరు ఆలోచించండి.
find out.
Let us take it is ex-serviceman is 45. 45-year-old is able to run in 16.5 seconds, 100 meters, or 9.5 minutes in 1600 meters. How is it that you can claim a further relaxation for the home guards, whose outer age limit is 39? The criteria will be with reference to the post. I hope I am clear, because it is going to be adjourned. You can do your homework. Aa line lo ఆలోచించండి. Because if you say even 9.5 minutes is very high, then how far it is prudent with reference to the post you want to aspire? Adi.
We are already discharging. Now we cannot be put to such a rigid. That is also one of the ground I raised.
That is, how far can you say so when it is it for the employer to say or for the employee to say, aspirant?
Keeping all this in mind, only the rule framing authority treated as a separate class. The rule framing authority was in conscious, I think, while framing the rule, and now the board is coming in our way.
Because once you are a constable, you will be posted at any other place. You cannot see. Idea is they should be physically fit, because it's a very physically demanding job. In cities, the most physically demanding job is that of a police constable. So how far can we substitute our opinion to it? కొంచెం లాస్ట్ టైం అనుకున్నాను చెప్దామని, బట్ 4:15 అయిపోయిందని kept quiet. బట్ ఎంత మాడిఫై చేయాలి, ఎంత చేయాలి? సెపరేట్ క్లాస్ ఇవ్వాలి. సెపరేట్ క్లాస్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు కెన్ యూ సీక్ ఫర్ రిలాక్సేషన్ మోర్ దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఎక్స్ సర్వీస్మెన్?
That is the only crucial point. In 3 cases I raised, I given a table form. In what time they run, what the marks secured, there is a variation. And we are seeking to some consideration classification, because we are classified as separate category and reserved for.
If there are, madam, if there are no persons who have been selected in this quota, then what is the point in fixing all these criteria? See, that is for you, your homework. As to what is the point in fixing the criteria which nobody is able to achieve? So that becomes a superfluous criteria. So realistic criteria, you can ask them to complete this. If you want to still go by this physical parameters, give them some time, because home guard's job is pretty demanding, because they have to be there in the residence of some individual from 24/7. They are very demanding mountain job. So they can be asked to qualify these physical parameters within a period of outer limit of 2 years. Give them some 2 years time. Selection is subject to the meeting these requirements. Conditional ga chesukochu, and the seniority can be fixed only after completion of these aspects. 1167 posts are left vacant. You have an intention to fill up, but if none of them are getting qualified, then the parameters which are being fixed are illusionary.
That case, your lordship, one, it's not none of them have qualified. About 211 candidates have qualified.
So if 900 posts are left vacant, almost 1,200 and almost nearly 950 posts.
The aspect is whether for the next notification they can consider the guidelines that your lordships might fix.
Thought.
But for the present case, once the entire process has been completed,
they are not competing with anybody. No. The vacancies are still there. So it is not something.
At this juncture would be another issue.
Mia Bivi Raji antaru kada, they have no problem, you have no problem. Nobody else can have any problem, because it's only exclusively meant for home guards.
Yes.
It's only exclusively meant for home guards. So you can, because it becomes an illusionary. You can fix some time so that you have the manpower, they have the physical ability. can specify that to avoid the seniority issues, that only on qualification of these tests only their services will be counted, and their seniority will be counted only from that date.
Our 2 hour negotiations, it can be sorted out, Milad.
Chuddam. Have their limitation. Okay. ఎప్పటికి కావాలి మేడం?
Next week, any day.
Any date కాదు, మీరు చెప్పండి ఓ date. Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Because I've got few batches coming up.
Tuesday.
This was an excuse to dodge among batch. Oh, this is gone.
Some of them,
Next Tuesday.
some of the matters are.
Third, Sri Sina Kumar. At the request of the Office of Advocate General, post on next Tuesday.
Right.
Kindly.
3:30. That is similar to the batch.